Hello. So today is Monday, May 4. Now it's time for my COVID-19 update. First issue is reopening states will cause 233,000 more people to die from coronavirus according to Wharton model. So here's another issue. It happened last Friday in California. Large crowds are gathering in California demanding officials to reopen California.
Also, another thing we noticed earlier when we were zoomed in, we're kind of keeping a long shot because some of the signs are not appropriate for on air, but very few people here have a face mask on. Now that I understand.
As you can see in the video, too much crowd and they did not maintain the social distancing, other people no mask. So what do you gonna expect for that? That's why it's hard to stop the spread of coronavirus if sometimes we don't follow what the government asked us to do. New data from the University of Pennsylvania suggests that relaxing lockdowns across U.S. cities and states could have serious consequences for the country's battle to contain the coronavirus, which has infected over 1 million people while killing more than 66,000 people. According to the Penn-Wharton budget model, reopening states will result in additional 233,000 deaths from the virus even if states don't reopen at all and with social distancing rules in place. This means that if the states were to reopen, 350,000 people in total would die from coronavirus by the end of June, the study found. By the way, that is where President Donald Trump went to school. So I will share you some of the video clips.
Opening up their economy after imposing lockdown orders across the country. And of course, there is a bit of a trade-off in terms of how long those lockdowns will last. We know that they will last 6 weeks, more than 30 million Americans now applying for unemployment. In a new study out from the University of Minnesota and their Center for Infectious Disease Research and Policy.
So they are worried for their economies going down. How about the people dying? They should save lives too. So for me, they should protect first the people before the economy. So let's go to our Qatar update. Qatar Airways keeps flying people home. Qatar Airways has helped thousands of British and Canadian nationals return home safely who were away from their family members due to COVID-19 outbreak. Qatar Airways has received praise from Canada for helping stranded nationals, according to the statement posted of Qatar Embassy in Ottawa, Canada. Ministry continues inspection of workers' accommodation in residential neighborhood. The Ministry of Administrative Development, Labor and Social Affairs continues its campaign to inspect workers' housing in the country's residential neighborhoods in coordination with the Ministry of Interior and Municipality and Environment to determine the extent to which occupational health and safety requirements are applied in the housing, estimate the number of workers that each housing accommodates, and vacate the excess person. So latest update, COVID-19 in Qatar. New cases 640 with a total now of 16,191 coronavirus cases. Active cases is 14,369. We have recovered 146 cases. Total recovered cases is 1,810. Within 24 hours, 0 deaths. Total deaths so far is 12. And people tested is 2,360. That is 24 hours ago. Then total people tested is 106,795. Now let's go to my Worldometer update. Here's my COVID-19 update in Worldometer. Coronavirus cases is now 3,585,711. Deaths, 248,780. Recovered, 1,162,095. Active cases, we have 2,174,836. Serious or critical condition, 50,049, which is 2%. Mild condition is 2,124,787. That is 98%. New cases per country still on top. USA, 1,188,870. Spain, 247,122. Italy, 210,717. UK, 186,599. France, 168,693. Germany, 165,664. Russia, 145,268. Turkey, 126,045. Brazil, 101,826. New cases, Russia, 10,581. Mexico, 1,383. Iran, 1,223. Belarus, 784. USA, 748. Bangladesh, 688. Brazil, 679. Qatar, 640. Singapore, 573. Total deaths, USA, 68,606. Italy, 28,884. UK, 28,446. Spain, 25,264. France, 24,895. Belgium, 7,924. Brazil, 7,051. Germany, 6,866. Iran, 6,277. Netherlands, 5,082. China, 4,633. Canada, 3,682. New deaths, Mexico, 93. Sweden, 90. Belgium, 80. Russia, 76. Iran, 74. Brazil, 26. Netherlands, 26. Indonesia, 19. Philippines, 16. Ukraine, 15. And Romania, 13. So that's all for my Worldometer update. So it's a good news that the number cases of deaths is going down. So I hope they will be okay soon, those who are infected. And hope they will find the best treatment for coronavirus. But still, the cases is still growing, so the best thing to do is stay at home. Be safe all the time. Just go out if it's necessary and wear mask. Maintain social distancing, hand wash, and also avoid touching your face. If you're in the house, take a rest, have enough sleep, exercise, eat healthy foods, avoid smoking and drinking. Help to boost our immune system. So that's all for my COVID-19 update. Be safe and God bless. So before I will end my video, I will share you some video clips of Hamad Medical Corporation. of Hamad Injury Prevention Program introduces advices to avoid injuries at home during Ramadan and quarantine.
Ramadan Kareem and warm greetings from the Hamad Injury Prevention Program of the Hamad Trauma Center. As we continue to provide support for the national COVID response, we would like to call out to the public to be safer during this very unique Ramadan we face. It is unique because all families will be at home, and as such, we would like to provide an extra focus for everyone on home safety.